Okay. So we have faire verb, which is very important. Hana? So what is my faire verb? Je fais, tu fais, il elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils elles font. लिख लिया था वो faire verb आपने, महावीर?
Yes,
Clear? Ranveer, is it clear to you? So what is
yes,
the
sir.
past of faire verb? If I will say I did, F-A-I-T is my faire. Fair. So my past of fair is fair. F-A-I-T. So my past of fair is fair. Is it clear to you? Clear, bachcho? Tell me, please. Yes. So if I will say I did, I can say j'ai, our verb, j'ai fait.
Yeah, Fritz.
J'ai fait, tu as fait, il, elle a fait, nous avons fait. It means we have to use just what? Our family were present tense and fair, F-A-I-T. Is it clear to you? If I asked you, Ranveer, what is the lamp parfait of fair verb? Tell me.
Mm,
What is the lamp parfait of fair verb? So in order to make lamp parfait of fair verb,
AIS, AIS.
but
Fair.
first, before moving this pattern, we have to make new conjugation of present tense. Faisons. समझ आ रहा है
Yes.
रणवीर?
No. Yes, yes. No conjugation.
In order to make lamp parfait, we have to make new conjugation of present tense. Clear, Mahavir? No. What is lamp parfait? Lamp parfait is my past continuous tense. So how to make lamp parfait? हमने अभी किया था in order to make lamp parfait, we have to use new conjugation of present tense. Faisons. Clear? Lamp parfait के लिए before making a lamp parfait, how to make lamp parfait is my how we can make the building of lamp parfait. We have to use what? We have to use the new conjugation of present tense. We have to delete ONS from the end and we can make a formula. Is it clear to you? So that how this is my lamp parfait. Is it clear to you? So now you came to know I do, je fais, I did, j'ai fait, I was doing, je faisais. Is it clear to you? Tell me please. Faisais, then tu, il, elle के साथ nous fassi. हमारा आएगा ना? Nous fassions, vous faisiez, il, elle faisaient. C'est clair. Yes. Is it clear to you? Clear? Yes. Okay. Now देखो, come on this thing. She's using tu as fait le tour. Répétez après moi. Tu as fait le tour. Pen down, please. Entire content. Pen down, please. Tu as fait le tour. Son détour. Répétez après moi. Son détour. Patiemment. Répétez après moi. Patiemment. Répétez après moi. Patiemment de toutes les fêtes. De toutes les fêtes. Les fêtes. He's saying tu as fait. You did. The tour sont des tours. Patiemment. Patiemment, we have patiently. Patiemment. Répétez après moi. Patiemment. Répétez après moi. Patiemment, basically, we use the term for patiently. Détour. Détour, we have detour. Détour. The tour without, son is without, detour, patiemment. Répétez après moi, please. Patiemment, c'est quoi? Patiently. The toutes les fêtes. Tooth क्या होता है हमारा? All. Tooth. Tooth we have all. the toutes les fêtes. Fête, we have the parties. Fête. महावीर, ये हमारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं फेट द वाजन, सेक्शन बी के क्वेश्चन है टाइप के, इसीलिए हम ये वो कैप करते हैं पहले फेट. Fifth, we have parties. Tooth, we have all. Okay, you did the tour without detour and patiently of all the parties. बोलो passiamo. देखो लैंग्वेज बोलोगे आप, बोलो passiamo. What is passiamo, Shane? Patiently. बोलो please passiamo.
Demo.
The tooth le fait.
The tooth effect.
Pask because tu savais, you were knowing, bien que. Répétez après moi. Bien que. Bien que we use for although. Pen down. Pen down please. Bien que we use for although. हम बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में although.
Yes.
Although j'y serai. Now you will come to the vocab. Bien que is although. Shin, is it clear to you? Shin? Shin, what is although? What is although, Shin? Bien que. Clear? Now, over here, let me share the screen. Now tell me what is adverb, बच्चों? What is adverb? अच्छा, no, कैसे? No, गलत. Je suis, tu es. You have to practice for this because these things are these verbs are the base of French. Être is my verb to be, is a mark. Je suis, tu es, il est,
Nous sommes.
nous sommes, vous êtes. Let me tell you how you will do practice. You have to speak something in French so that your tongue will get used to with these things. Whatever we are doing in the campaigning, right? You have to go for a repetition. That's how you can do practice. Mahavir, you came to know the concept content now. Whatever we are doing in the campaigning, you have to do. It is just if you're free somewhere, if you're sitting, in the restaurant, it is just you have to open the recordings. C'est clair? Vous êtes and elles sont. Is it clear? Now, what is the l'imparfait of être? L'imparfait?
Yes.
What is AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIEND? It is just team. In order to make l'imparfait, we have to go for a new conjugation, but H में नहीं करना है.
Yes.
H में नहीं करेंगे. You have to eliminate RE from the end. You have to ETRE, ETRE. You have to delete RE from the end. And what you left with? ET?
ETAIS.
Yes, simple. Is it clear to you, Mahavir? See, obviously, entire session is under recording, my teammates, and you have to open the recording again and again and again, and you have to do practice. Is it clear to you? But this E, we have E ague. E के ऊपर शिन हमारा ए वाला साउंड आता है ना, शिन?
Yes, sir.
We have a sound of E ague A wala. Now we have a symbol from bottom to top. It is going towards right hand side. Bottom to top, that E A symbol. Bottom to top, it is going towards where? Right hand side. Is it clear to you, Shane?
Yes, sir.
Clear हो रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir. सर इसमें जैसे ETRE है, जब ये हट जाएगा तो ये ए हो जाएगा.
एते.
सिर्फ ET के बाद फिर वही फॉर्मूला लगाना है.
Yes, it is just simple. It is just you have to make a formula. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear हो रहा है शीन आपको?
Yes, sir.
So répétez après moi. J'étais. Pen. Why j'étais? Because we have je, two vowel. So j'étais. Is it clear to you? So
Yes.
repeat after me. J'étais, tu étais, il, elle était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient. बोलो machine में साथ. J'étais,
J'étais,
tu étais. Repeat after machine. J'étais, tu étais,
il, elle était.
il, elle était. C'est clair. Obviously, बच्चों, vous devez pratiquer à votre maison. You have to do practice in your house. Nous étions, vous étiez, ils, elles étaient. Because we have to combine S and E sound. Zé, zétions, zétiez, zétain. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I asked you, what would be the conditional would of H verb? So you will make a formula, RAIS. It is just you have to make a formula. Tell me, please.
Yes,
It is
R-A-I.
just you have to insert clear. Clear? Mavi, is it clear to you? And RAIENT. But a team, if I ask you, for example, I'm a Russian guy and I'm not aware of English language. Yeah, I'm a Chinese guy. I don't know how to speak English. In that case, for example, if you explain, see, for example, if you explain to me is MR, clear? What is MR? Okay. Is MR is MR, I am, you are, okay. Then you will say dramatically, okay, my, what I would say, will, future is WILLSHALL. I said, I will say why. Why is converted into WILLSHALL? Why? You will see you have to learn this vocab WILL. Clear? The same in French also. There are some verbs which you have to understand their future by heart. The être futur will start from SE. Yes. The être futur start from SE. Formula is same. Formula will never get changed. Bachcho, formula will never get changed. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Is it
Yes.
clear to you? The formula will never get changed. Is it clear to you, bachcho? Clear? But over here, obviously, over here, we have a ether which starts from SE. Is it clear to you, bachcho? Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
So, je serai, it means what? Tu serais, il serait, nous serions, vous seriez, il serait. This is my conditional. Is it clear to you, बच्चों?
Yes.
Clear हो रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Clear हो रहा है आपको? Clear? Clear? So let's move to the pattern of again. One second. पासक चुसावे चुसावे बिया का जी सरे ई मेरा क्या है देयर वहां व्हाट इज वाई इन फ्रेंच लिख लो देयर वहां यस व्हाट इज वाई इन फ्रेंच देयर वहां इज इट क्लियर टू यू वाई ई क्या बोलते हैं ई लिटरली मीनिंग ऑफ ई इज देयर व्हिच इज वहां इज इट क्लियर टू यू टीम Literally meaning of literalmo, literally meaning of e is there, which is wahan. Is it clear to you, bachcho? Yes. Clear? Pask tiyusave biyaka ji sare. Is it clear to you? Clear? Yes. So can we repeat again? So today what you will come to know, you came to a lot of grammar things, lot of pattern, wherein you have to practice. मैं session heavy नहीं करूँगा because obviously आपका This very important session. We have done présent, passé, l'imparfait, and conditional. Clear? What I'm going to do is now I'm going to share a link of this video. Clear? You have to do practice whatever we have done from this video. Is it clear to you? And obviously, you need a recording of today's lessons, today's chapter. I will share 2 recordings of today's class. Watch those recording and repeat your things again and again. Is it clear to you, Ranveer? Ranveer?
Yes.
Okay. Sonakshi? Okay. Shin, is
Yes,
it clear
sir.
to you? Shin, if you will repeat the recording, whatever I will share it with you again and again and again, so that how you can do practice and you will come to the concept again. Okay, Shin?
Yes.
ठीक
Yes,
है?
sir.
So team, all of you, please, your task is you have to pen down entire script of my videos. I will share 3 videos with you, Mahavir. One is yesterday video, I will share it with you. वो भी करना, वो समझ आएगा आपको. Clear? Today we have 2 recordings. So you have to pen down entire content from those videos and you have to present to me.
Yes.
Is it clear to you that how we can do practice? Okay? Chalo. We'll meet you tomorrow. Au revoir. À bientôt. Okay?